So in the medium cooker, I have taken in washed tur dal. To that, I'm adding in chopped beans, chopped carrots, also chopped potatoes. All are chopped into small cubes like this, okay? Also adding in 2 teaspoons of rock salt, half a teaspoon of ghee, little turmeric powder, now I'm adding water enough to submerge all of them. I'm putting on the lid and the weight, and I'm going to pressure cook this on medium flame for 5 medium whistles. Now in a big vessel on medium flame, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of ghee, also adding in a bit of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm adding in the mustard seeds, cumin seeds, fresh curry leaves, and saute them just once. Once they start to splutter, add in the SLIT green chilies. Just saute for 30 seconds. After this, I'm going to add in finely chopped onions. All the measurements are in the description box, please check them out. Also adding in some salt. Mixing all of this well together, and I will cook this till the onions have turned light brown. Once onions have turned light brown, I turn the flame to low and I'm adding in the sambar powder. I'm adding in a bit of oil so that the powders don't get burnt. I'm going to quickly mix this and fry this for about a minute on low flame. Next, I turn the flame to medium and I'm adding in finely chopped tomatoes, and also I had soaked in 1 lemon sized tamarind in half a cup of water. I'm going to squeeze it out well and I'm going to pour in the juice of the tamarind. Keep in mind I had soaked this for about 20 minutes. Now give it a good mix and we'll cover this and cook on medium flame till the tomatoes are cooked well. Meanwhile, your pressure cooker is also done. Switch off the flame and wait till the pressure is released. Next, after 10-15 minutes, once the tomatoes are cooked well, adding in chopped coriander and a bit of jaggery powder, giving it a good mix. Also adding in all the cooker contents along with the veggies, giving it a good mix again. And I'm going to cover this and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'll allow this to boil well. Stir in intervals. So you can see that it has been boiling for about 15 to 20 minutes. The top mark is the initial mark. It has boiled till then. Give it a good mix, and this is how the consistency should look like. Not too flowy, not too thick. Don't worry, after you turn off the flame, it will turn thick at the end. Now turn off the flame and this is ready to be served. It is best served with hot white rice and a teaspoon of ghee. So this is very healthy and it is also known as vegetable stew. So go and try out this recipe, and I tell you, this is so tasty, so healthy, and it is very good for you because it has all the vegetables and all that is required. Tur dal is high source of protein. So go try out this recipe and leave a comment in the section down below how you like this. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. and I'll see you guys next time with the upcoming videos. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.